What you're looking at right here is a fully trick 12 volt system with 100 amp hours of lithium power. Can be installed by anyone in just a couple of hours, and best of all, within seconds, it becomes completely portable. Let me introduce to you REDARC's GoBlock. This all-in-one unit uses 100% REDARC equipment, including their inbuilt solar-ready DC charger and 100 amp hour lithium battery, all housed in a rugged, weather and abuse-proof box. The GoBlock can be used to power a 12 volt fridge for days at camp, or of course, power to charge any number of electrical gadgets from phones to drones. The battery is capable of recharge rates of up to 50 amps an hour, and being lithium, you get a full 100 amps of usable charge, unlike half that with the same rated AGM. With the use of a handy dock base plate, the GoBlock can be removed and used at camp, or in another four-wheel drive within literally seconds. Maybe you don't want to commit to hard wiring something permanent in the back here. You want the flexibility of something like this REDARC GoBlock with 100 amp hours of lithium power you can take just about anywhere. Check it out for yourself at redarc.com.au.